Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create sticker in TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll show you step by step how to create your own stickers directly inside the TikTok app. To get started, open TikTok and then go to search bar and type the video name you want to create sticker of. Then choose a slideshow, photo, or video that you want to turn into a sticker. Once the video is open, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen to open the sharing menu. Scroll through the options at the bottom until you find the Create Sticker option and tap on it. If you don't see this option, it means the creator of that video hasn't enabled sticker creation, so you'll need to open a different video where the option is available. After tapping Create Sticker, a small editor will open. Here, you can trim the sticker by dragging the edges, crop the video or photo, and even add text if you want. Take your time to adjust everything until the sticker looks the way you want it to. When you're done editing, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. At this stage, you can choose whether to make the sticker public so others can see and use it, or keep it private. You also have the option to add keywords, but you can skip this step if you prefer. Once you confirm, your custom sticker will be created. To find the stickers you've created, go to your TikTok profile page. You'll see a small sticker icon next to the Discover icon. Tap on it to view all your stickers. From there, you can send a sticker to a friend, view the original video it was made from, add it to the store, or delete the sticker entirely. And that's it. So that is how you can create sticker in TikTok. So that's all for this video. Thanks.